The Bharatiya Janata Party has identified candidates in 35 constituencies for the upcoming 2023 Assembly elections. The state BJP held a state executive meeting to channelize the allotment of party tickets. State BJP President Ernest Mari asked party leaders to refrain from making tall claims of having got the approval of central leaders in Delhi for tickets and said that BJP has not allotted tickets yet. Speaking to reporters after a meeting, Ernest Mari said the 35 candidates have been identified in the first phase, which has been divided into 3 categories. This was done after an internal survey conducted by the party. However, he said the party cannot announce yet as there are certain rules and procedures to be followed.
Today, State Executive Committee, we have discussed 4 or 5 important agenda. We have called the report from all the districts, 60 constituency in our state. Actually, in the first phase, we have already identified 35 constituency. And in that 35 constituency also, we are having a category wise, A, B and C. In the A category, we are having 10 constituency, and in the B category, we are having 20 and 15 in the D. So that is the norm where we put the slab, the A, B, C.